just, mom or dad, I don't know yet, flew up to the nest. Oh, dang it. And let's see if there's more than one chicken there today. I couldn't get to the nest earlier. She was on it and had a fit. So it doesn't look like she's got anything in her beak. Yeah, that might be Dad. It's awfully dark. I don't know. I had movement in the nest a minute ago. I saw one head bopping up and down. I don't see anything right now though. I'll give it a little bit and see if he flies off and if Mama comes back or what's going on. Boy, we are being stared at though. I don't think they like us being right here. Well, he's talking. A magpie just flew over. That's not good. Oh, Mama's on the fence. So let's see if he flies down and Mama flies up. I don't see anything in her mouth though either. And she's staring over here. Come on, Mama. Oh, here she comes. All right. Okay, Dad just left and Mom just showed up. Let's see what she does on the nest. I've got hummingbird. Oh, there's one. Only seeing one so far. She's such a good mama. I'm going to zoom in and out and see if we can't see anything. Except for just blurry. Oh, there she's sitting down on it. Oh my goodness. All right, well, we're going to let her sit in peace for a little while. See if there's any action a little bit later. But so far, only one, I think. We weren't able to get into the nest today, so we'll try again tomorrow.